when you first get there. That's the door. Then when you walk in, that's some boxes from yesterday. My inside slippers right there. Yes. I have a friend who would totally love this decor because her favorite color is orange, and it's orange and red, so I am satisfied as well. So yes, living room, guys. That's the biggest big bum TV I've ever seen in my life. So dining table, fridge that is stocked up for me. Oh my gosh, focus. Yeah. The stove, you know, basic living things, living necessary things to get through. So that's the kitchen. A little hallway, a side door. There are light switches like everywhere. 2 switches sometimes for 1 bulb. Anyways, washing machine, have to get to that. That's my room over here. So yeah, I feel like blue has followed me for at least 4 days now. Yes, I have to tidy up my makeup section. In fact, I have to pack it because I feel like I'm done with that already. Little chair here. My suitcase in this corner with my shoes. I have to just clean them up before I pack them back up. And a fan that makes a lot of noise that I don't turn on at all. Well, after I turned it on for the first time, I found that it makes too much noise, so I don't need that. But anyways, yes, that's my living quarters. The bathroom. Shower here, you know. And the other room. It's where my dad was staying. To cleaning stuff, of course. Back to the hallway. And yes. So I'm heading out now. Let me just close this up because I'm not going to be inside.